am the real life flamenco dancer. Is that it? Either way, they based that off me. Hi everyone, it's Eva here, and today I'm with 49 on the rating show to rate my vacation outfits, all from the one and only Pretty Little Thing. So I'm gonna get straight in with this video and I hope you enjoy. I can't work out if I love this or despise it. I actually don't know. This is a bikini top and then it comes with the matching bikini bottoms. And the skirt is like frilly, as you can see, and it's like splitty. But I don't know, I just think the frills are a lot, and then obviously there's like a big pattern going on. I just can't work out whether it's really nice or whether it's just doing too much. Okay, let me picture myself in Dubai, in the desert, or going down to like breakfast, to the buffet in this, looking like I'm that bitch. Let me picture that, let me picture that. I can see it, I can see it. It's actually, oh, I'm lying, I'm still undecided. I actually do not know. Okay, I'm decided. I think it's nice with the skirt being on. So if I just had this and the bottoms as a bikini, I just feel like it's not really my thing. I feel like a bit of a child in it, I'm not gonna lie, because it's frilly and like the pattern and stuff. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. I am 6 out of 10. Don't know whether that's harsh, I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, I don't think you've ever seen anything like this before. I don't actually think you've ever seen anything like this before. Are you ready? Ta-da! I am in love with this set. 10 out of 10 straight off the bat. 11 out of 10, 12 out of 10. Literally, however high I can give this outfit, I'm giving it. But honestly, it is the nicest outfit I think I've ever worn. I'm in love with it. The sequins obviously just give it so much glam. The sequins are what makes it, but I just think the overall design is so nice. It's a corset top and the skirt is maxi length. And look how high it goes up. I mean, it's so sexy. I'm so in love with it. The colour is so nice. I actually don't know what else to say other than the fact that I have fallen in love with this set. Okay, so next up we have this kind of like olive green, satiny, cropped, twisted shirt with this white skirt. I'm actually gonna stand on the chair just so you can see the length of the skirt, because it's a bit of a weird length. It's like, yeah, it's like here. Obviously it's got a really high split again, and it's got this kind of like draped feature sort of going on. I don't know who I think I am coming out with all of these terms, but I'm actually so in love with this outfit, and I never expected it, guys. I never expected to be in love with this outfit. I'm not gonna lie, when I took it out of the packaging, I was like, oh, what is that? But now that it's on, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It kind of gives me jungle vibes. Do you know what I mean? Like the top is like jungly. The only thing I would say is I don't usually wear long sleeve tops on holiday just because sweat patches. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason why I haven't given it a 10 out of 10 is because I don't want to copy the score that I gave the last one, and also just because it's long sleeve for holiday. But apart from that, I honestly love this. 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, but okay, 9.5. This is a 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, I'm just being really vain now. I can't stop staring at myself because I genuinely really love this outfit. You lot are not ready. You're actually not ready for this one. I am the real life flamenco dancer. Is this how she is? Is this it? Let me get my phone to see. Is that it? Either way, they based that off me because I am actually her. I love this dress. I feel like a lot of you are going to be like, the dress is a bit much. It's a very big statement dress, but I love it. And I'm a Leo, so I am a bit much. But I just think it's so nice. I think it's quite flattering as well. Like it just, you know, it doesn't make my mum look huge, but it, you know, it is flattering. And the frills are really cute, but in like a sexy way, not in like a cute way. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna stand up on this chair just so you guys can see the bottom half of this because it's really nice and I don't want you to miss out. Here's one split and then here's the other. Oi, oi. This is so hard now because I like all of the outfits. I just need to book a holiday, don't I? I just need to book a holiday and just wear all of these. And I just like the Instagram picture that I'm gonna get in this. You're not ready, you're not ready. I need to book a flight to Spain ASAP. I'm gonna give this I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10. It speaks for itself, doesn't it really? There's not actually that much that I can say when it comes to this dress because the dress does all the speaking. I mean, what do you guys think? I feel like a lot of people are gonna think it's too much, but I'm just in love with it. So that is all of the outfits tried on, and honestly, I'm so obsessed with the last three. The last three are actually impeccable. Let me know what your favourite was, let me know what ones you didn't like, let me know whether you agreed or disagreed with my ratings, and I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comments. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.